If YouTube TV works on Wi-Fi but not on mobile data, the issue is usually caused by network restrictions, data saver settings, or app limitations. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Check your mobile data connection. Make sure your phone has a strong cellular signal and mobile data is turned on. Disable Wi-Fi so your device switches fully to mobile data. Weak cellular service will prevent YouTube TV from loading. Step 2. Enable mobile data streaming in YouTube. Open YouTube TV, tap your profile icon, and go to Settings. Open Playback and Performance and make sure Stream on Mobile Data is turned on. Some devices also have an option for HD streaming on mobile data. If your network is slow, turn this off to reduce buffering. Step 3. Turn off Data Saver or Low Data Mode. Data saver modes often block apps from using enough bandwidth. On iPhone, open Settings, go to Cellular, and disable Low Data Mode. On Android, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and turn off Data Saver. Low power mode can also affect mobile data streaming, so turn it off if enabled. Step 4. Restart the app and your phone. Close YouTube TV completely and reopen it. Restart your phone to refresh the network connection and apply the new settings. Step 5. Clear the app cache if the app still won't load on mobile data. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select YouTube TV, and clear the cache. On iPhone, delete the YouTube TV app and reinstall it. This resets app data and fixes corrupted files. Step 6. Update the app. Open your device's App Store and make sure you're running the latest version of YouTube TV. Outdated versions often fail to stream properly over mobile networks. After following these steps, YouTube TV should work smoothly on mobile data again. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.